My name is Katja Hanack. I'm the founder and CEO of New Era Mabs, a company specialized in antibody discovery campaigns. We are working with a highly sophisticated platform technology for the antibody generation, antibodies from different species. And we have developed the platform here at the University of Potsdam, and this is my second function. I'm still a professor of immunotechnology here in Potsdam, and we are working on several third-party funded projects, mainly with industry, and we are helping them to create tools, antibodies they will need for their in vitro diagnostic devices. Antibodies are amazing proteins, so they are Y-shaped, and with every arm they can bind nearly every target. So they can be specific for every kind of protein, every kind of hormone, also toxins. So this makes them really interesting for any kind of application. And this could be for research, for diagnostic, and also for therapy. There are different types of antibodies. We have monoclonal, polyclonal, recombinant antibodies. It depends on the application afterwards. And monoclonal antibodies are from one species, most of the time mouse antibodies. Polyclonal are from rabbits or goats, so bigger animals. But this also means there are several antibodies in one mixture. Whereas monoclonal is only one type of antibody with one specificity. And recombinant antibodies are specific types of antibodies which were produced recombinantly. So this means we are taking the antibody sequence and then we produce them as a recombinant protein. The innovations we are working on is to provide a customized antibody generation with a very fast and efficient selection of antibody candidates for different reasons. We can start with a research-based application, for example, with mouse or llama antibodies, and then afterwards, when the customer needs antibodies for diagnostic or therapeutic reasons, we can provide this, for example, as humanized or human antibodies, so that the platform is able to cover all these different aspects, and we can provide the best solution for the customer.
Hi, my name is Jonas Füner and I'm the Managing Director of Preclinics. Preclinics is, as the name already intends, is about preclinical research, and preclinical research and development is all this research you do before you go in clinical studies. To receive an approval for a therapy or a diagnostics, you always have to do preclinical studies, and we are doing the product development in advance. Katja and I, we are collaborating since a long time. In 2009, we started our first collaboration project, and it was always about camelid single-domain antibodies, also known as nanobodies. And we developed together our work and our expertise in this field, and we learned a lot from Katja and her group. And since then, the collaboration is ongoing, and we are still in a regular exchange and help each other. And for example, we are immunizing alpacas and llamas for Katja, and Katja is helping us with knowledge and exchange of material like sequences of single-domain antibodies.
We started with the academic research group in 2008 here in Potsdam, and we developed this platform technology. And then after a while, we decided to found the company. And we talked to the university, and it was possible, luckily, that they offer us the opportunity to use the infrastructure for setting up the company here. And now, with the end of the year, we are planning to move the company in their own laboratory space at the Potsdam Science Park, especially in the Go-In2 building, because the whole area here with the university and the Potsdam Science Park, also the other institutions and companies, are providing a very vibrant space. And yeah, so we love to work here, and we'll do this in future as well. Antibodies are one of the most used binding proteins, and they have an enormous potential, especially in terms of customized medicines and personalized diagnostics. So antibodies will play a big role in the future, and this is also described in different market analysis. So we have a more than 12% growth of the market volume within the next 5 to 10 years. And there are a lot of companies outside who really needs antibodies and wants to develop specialized or personalized therapies with them. So I think that this market will steadily increasing in the future, and also the different applications can be increasing as well.
The advantage in the diagnostic field is that we can build point-of-care diagnostics for cell analysis, where you would need now a central laboratory to analyze these cells. And for the therapeutic area, the immune enhancers give a good opportunity to treat latent infections as an alternative for antibiotics.